Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Teaching Vibes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a timer from YouTube into your Google Slides presentation. Let's say, for example, you're teaching an English class and you want your students to write a short story about a young alien. I want to put a little timer here so my students know they have 20 minutes to write their story. So first of all, you want to find your timer on YouTube. So on my channel, I have dozens of different timers. You can click on videos and find whatever timer works for you or whatever video. Let's say I want to use this planet timer. What you'll do is you need to get the link. So at the top here, you can double click, right click, copy. You can also click share and then click copy here and copy this link. So now you'll go back to your Google presentation and we're going to click on insert and then click on video. So now you can right click, paste, or press Ctrl+V and then press enter. And then you'll get the video that you have selected. So click on that and then click insert. So now we have a lot of different options. You can click and move the timer wherever you want. You can click on the edge here and make the timer bigger or smaller. And you should see this category that says format options on the right. If you don't see that, you can click here, format options, to open this up. So here you have a few different options. You can have the video start on click. So when you start the presentation, then you will click play. You can have it play automatically or manually. Another option that's cool is, let's say you don't want the full 20-minute timer, you only want 15 minutes. Well, what you could do is I'm going to have this start at 5 minutes in and then end at the end of the video or after 20 minutes. You can also choose mute audio if you don't want any background music. Let's say you just want the timer. Now here, you can click size and rotation and you can make any adjustments you want to that. I prefer just to use these arrows here. Position as well. We also have drop shadow, which is cool. So you can change the color of the drop shadow and the angle as well. You can change the opacity, the blur radius, whatever you want. So then when you're ready, just click slideshow. So you'd be able to give your students their activity, and then once you're ready, you can press on the video and you'll see it just started at 15 minutes and it's going to count down. I also use timers for things like word searches. So let's say I have this Valentine's Day word search I created and I want to add a timer. Once again, I'll just go insert, video. I'm going to use this little Valentine's Day timer on my channel. Insert. This time I'm going to have it play automatically. And now let's test it out by clicking on slideshow. And there you have it. So there are many different uses for these timers, and I think using a fun, colorful timer like the ones you can find on my channel just adds some magic to your classroom and make it more special. So make sure to check out all of my different classroom timers and games and other teacher tools on my channel. And if you have any other tutorial requests, feel free to ask me in the comments section. I'll see you all next time.